Casey conducted an experiment and recorded the data in the table shown below. So we have a t-chart with x and y values. Which equation best describes these data? Now on the TAKS test, as you know, you can use the TI-84 graphic calculator. And since you're able to use that, you might as well know how to use it well. So let's look at the TI-84 and examine how we can use a calculator to work this problem. I can make my calculator write an equation for me if I wanted it to. But let's not work harder than we have to. Let's make the calculator work for us. If we know how to use it, we can examine each one of the multiple choice answers and see which one will provide us with this t-chart that I'm looking for. So let's just look here. If I go to my y equals and I enter in choice F, y equals x. If I go to second graph, that's going to take me to my table. Look, I have another t-chart here. But this t-chart is associated with this equation. If this t-chart matches the t-chart I'm given here, then that's going to be my answer. Let's take a look. Over here I've got 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, and 4, 10 for my ordered pairs. I have up here 1, 1, that works, 2, 2, that works, but I have 3, 3. So that tells me that F cannot be my answer. Go back to y equals, clear that choice out, and let's try choice G, 2x minus 1. Remember, I am using the function, I'm using y equals, and then I'm hitting the key second and graph. You want to write this down and keep it in your notes so you can go back to it. And this takes me to my table, which is also a t-chart. Let's examine this. 1, 1, good. 2, 3, nope, won't work. Let's try H. Y equals, clear it out, x squared plus x minus 1. Second graph, let's examine it. 1, 1, that's good. 2, 5, doesn't match. So looks like it's going to be J, but as I've already said, let's look at all the choices and make sure. That'll eliminate errors on our part. Parenthesis, x minus 1, close parenthesis, squared, plus 1. Second graph. I've got 1, 1, good. 2, 2, good. 3, 5, good. 4, 10, good. My answer is J. Pretty easy, huh? Alright, let's look at this one. Which graph best represents the relationship shown in the table below? While there is a way that I can use my calculator and enter in each one of these ordered pairs and have my calculator produce the function and the graph and the equation that is represented by this, I don't think that's going to be the most I don't think it's going to be the easiest way for you to work this problem. I think the easiest way to work this problem is without a calculator. Let's plot the points on each graph and see if they lie on each one of the functions. Let's look at choice F. My first ordered pair, and remember these are all just xy values, which are ordered pairs, which are going to be points on this coordinate plane. I have -1, comma -0.5. -1, comma -0.5 is going to be, oops, excuse me, not there. -1, -0.5 is right there. At that point we're good. Let's look at the next one. 0, 0. Still good. The next one is 1, comma 0.5. That's up here. +1, positive 0.5 doesn't work. Let's look at the next one. Negative 1, comma, negative 0.5, good. 0, 0, good. 1, comma, 0.5, still good, 1 to go. And 2, comma, 4. That one doesn't work. G, negative 1, comma, negative 0.5, good. 0, 0, good. 1, comma, 0.5, good. And 2, comma, 4. Looks like we've got a match right there. So let's look here and see why this one doesn't work. We don't have to look far because the very first point doesn't work. Negative 1, comma, negative 0.5 is down there, not on the graph, doesn't work.